So a little bit more information about the test plan. So the importance of test plan. Making test plan has multiple benefits. So what is that? Like test plan helps to determine the effort needed to validate the quality of the application. So test plan will help the management and the clients to determine what is the effort determined, what is the effort required to get the application or to build the application with good quality. How much effort of testing is required. It is used to validate that. So it will help people outside the test team such. Yes, this is important. Like it will help people outside the test team such as these developers, business managers, customers. That is what I just said. Understand the details of testing, what testing they are going to carry out and what is going to be done in testing. That details the other people apart from the testers will obviously know that what are all the what is the benefit of testing or what is going to be done in testing. But the apart from the tester team, so the others also has to understand like what kind of testing or what are the details of testing. So the test plan will give them an overview like the details of testing which will be carried out. So test plan guides our thinking. So for testing, any testing, the test plan will be a guidance. So it will guide to what kind of testing you are going to do, what you are going to do in testing. So it is like a Bible which needs to be followed. So it is like a rule book or Bible kind of which should be followed for a proper or better testing. So important aspects like test estimation, scope of testing are documented in the test plan. So estimation, as I have shown, it can be attached to the test plan document itself. And what is the scope of testing? Like uh, what scope the testing will have. So these are all documented in test plan so that the management team can understand what kind of testing is going to be carried out and they can review their estimation, their cost, their profit, etc using the testing. And it can be used once a very good test plan is prepared, once a mm, uh, very much good template of test plan is prepared, it can be used for all the other projects. So this will be the cycle for the test plan. Analyze the product and design test strategy. You will design a test strategy like what kind of testing and all should be carried out. You need integration, regression, and security, performance. All this test strategy we can define it. Then we can define the objectives. What are all objectives of testing? Then we can plan the test environment. With test plan, you can do all these things. So you can analyze the product, design test strategy, define the objectives, define test criteria. What are the criteria will be involved for testing? Then you can plan for the resource. Once test plan is ready, you can plan for the resources, how many resources may be needed for testing and for how much period. Then plan test environment. You can use test plan as a reference so that these kind of environment and all they have the testing team has asked, so the management and others can define what kind of environment may be required for the testing so that they can plan accordingly, and the clients as well. And schedule and estimation, the schedule and estimation can be defined using the test plan and determine the test deliverables. So if you are missing one or two deliverables in the test plan and but the client wants so and so, the client wants the test cases as well, but you are not have put that in deliverables, or you thought like that is not required for the clients because anyway you are giving the failure history or failed scenarios or what are all failed and you have raised in bug tracking as well. You can give that information, you have already given that information to the clients, so there is no need of test case to be delivered to the client. But the client thinks like he needs a test case as well. But to avoid that last minute confusion, you can determine the test deliverables in the beginning itself during preparation of test plan, and you can come to an agreement with the client and the upper management. So these are the overall details of the test plan, and from this particular picture you can understand easily what is the main benefit of the test plan. It will cover everything of a testing activities, so that the management or the other people and the testing team will come to a clear picture about testing activities.